Cordial greeting to Dor and partners. My name is Sandrine Rios and I will present the video about the dialect. The language and dialect are ambiguous because the dialect is part of language the humans. Ordinary people use these terms quite freely in speech. For them, a dialect is a non-prestige local variety of a real language. There is difficulty in deciding whether to use one term over the other in certain situations, but as Hugon says, the term represents a simple dichotomy in a situation that is almost infinitely complex. The dialect then is a group of local barriers in the way of speaking and expressing oneself. In short, the same language is spoken but with different words that in the end have the same meaning. Therefore, in the same language is spoken, there is no problem to understand each other. For example, the dialect of my city, Ocaña, is Ocañol. It's a dialect that is formed by the communities of Italy, France, Great Britain, and also of Spain, more than 500 years ago. So that mixture of language, sound, and language formed of dialect, so characteristic when this population was just building its identity. Well, here we do not talk about you, but about you. No hablamos de tú, sino de vos, with typical phrases and words, like if you saw. In Spanish, mira a ver. Look to see if you start studying at once. Mira a ver si te pones a estudiar de una vez. Pegote o pegota to refer boy or girl. This is one of the many dialects that Colombia has. Thank you very much.